Here is something fascinating that we all know about. It's about yawning. Yawning. If you talk about yawning, there is a likelihood that you will yawn. If you think about it, there's a likelihood that you will yawn. When someone close to you yawns, you may yawn as well. I decided to give it a try. And, and in fact, I couldn't hold myself than to keep yawning. You know, I don't know why it is so magical. But why is it that whether you think about it, read about it, or someone close to you does it, you are likely to do the same? Scientifically, psychologically, what is it? What could be the cause? Let's find out in the comment section.